Getting photography clients isn't as hard as you think, and you don't need thousands of followers. Social media is a great tool, and I like to use it in order to find new clients. So in this video, I'm going to tell you just about that and how to get clients using social media. Welcome back. My name is Samuel. This is Newman Photographs. Today, we're talking a little bit more about the business side of photography. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any new videos, and let's get into it. The main way that I get clients for my photo shoots is through Instagram. In order for you to be able to do this, there are a few things that you need to get down first. The first thing is to optimize your profile. By this, I mean to make sure that, first of all, your profile picture and your bio is, well, professional and approachable. Now, this can change depending on your Instagram bio and depending on what you want to actually have shown. But for me, it's simple. On my Instagram bio, I just have a couple of things, right? The first thing I have is photographer, so that they know that I am a photographer. The second thing that I have is a little phrase that says Jesus above all. Well, this is just to show my values and that I am a Christian, because to me, it's very important that people know that. Number 3 is a little quote that I have that represents me and my work. Basically, it says, it's not that you're not photogenic, you just haven't come across my lens yet. Fourthly, I have my email on there. This is what brands are gonna use to say, send me an email or contact. And fifthly, I have a couple of links. I have links to my Lightroom presets and links to my YouTube channel. So this is just my personal preference and what I prefer to do. The important thing is that your Instagram bio is really optimized, that it looks professional, and that it represents you and your work and your values. Okay, another thing to keep in mind when you're trying to find clients on social media, well, on Instagram, is to post content that attracts clients. You need to showcase your work in a way that really speaks to people. Instead of just random posts, create content that shows the value of your photography. On my Instagram page, I only post my best photos. There's a couple of things that I post. I post my interactions, where I just walk up to people in the city and ask them to take a photo of them. And I also post breakdowns of my work, before and after photos. I also post carousels, right, where I just show a bunch of photos that I took either that month, that week, that day, etc. Now, showing the before and after is an actually good tip, because clients love seeing the impact of good photography. And this shows, well, the impact of your photography. It shows your style, and it also shows the amount of work that goes into your editing. Now, another type of content that you can post is behind the scenes content, because something that I've learned is that clients like to see the process and not just the final product. For example, I film my street portraits with a GoPro. Actually, this one. I film all my street portraits with this GoPro that is strapped to my chest. And this way, people are seeing the behind the scenes, the interactions before the final results, which is the photos. Now, if you've seen my interaction videos, right, my street photography videos, I have a bunch on my Instagram and even here on my YouTube channel. I could have just posted only the photos, right? But me showing the interactions, the behind the scenes, building up to the final result, which is the photo, it builds sort of a trust and credibility with the audience, with the new potential client. And I would say that another thing that you can use is storytelling, right? And you can do this by telling mini stories in captions or even in reels. Okay, so next up is very important. You need to engage with your audience. Now, this means replying to comments and DMs. A simple interaction can turn a follower into a paying client. Keep that in mind. You can also follow potential clients, right? Engage with local brands, models, and businesses that might need a photographer. This way, they can, well, contact you. And another way to build engagement and to spark conversations is to use Instagram stories and polls, right? Just, ask a question like, who needs a new headshot? Or what's your dream photo shoot? Next up, you need to offer a clear call to action. You have to make it easy for people to book you. Now, what I like to do is to create dedicated Instagram reels asking people to send me a message or a DM or an email if they need a photo shoot. What you could also do is limited time offers. Basically, you could mention, say, exclusive deals for, say, new clients. And don't be afraid to show testimonials or client reviews. I even have a dedicated Instagram highlight where I put all of my client reviews there. Keep in mind that all of this builds credibility. So doing all of these is how you can find new clients with social media. Well, more specifically through Instagram. Now, I'm sure you can also apply these principles in TikTok or even on Facebook. Personally, I have found more success with Instagram. So this is why I am, mostly focusing on that particular platform. But if you have found success, say on TikTok or any other social media app, let us know in the comments. And while you're on your way down there, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new videos. And leave a question if there's something you want to know. Now, if you want to know how to make money as a photographer, you can watch this video right here where I talk all about that. You can also click here to subscribe to my channel. Check out my presets. First link in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay creative, keep creating. God bless you. And I'll see you in the next one.